Hello there, Mrs. Ehlke here. Today I am drawing with
Ella.
Ella, who just turned
6.5.
6.5. And today Ella wanted to do an adorable puppy. What kind of puppy did you choose?
Chihuahua.
A Chihuahua. Last year, Ella and I went to visit some friends in Arizona, and they have not one, not two, but 3 Chihuahuas in their house, and the girls loved seeing the adorable puppies. So, show me your Chihuahua. Here are our Chihuahua puppies. And notice we even named them. Ella named hers Jenny. I named mine Rita, and they are super fun and adorable. Now, we made our girl Chihuahuas, but yep, but if you wanted to make a boy Chihuahua, you could just leave off the bow or maybe put like a little bow tie instead. Bow ties on dogs are adorable as well. Now, if you love this tutorial and drawing Chihuahuas with us, Olivia and I also made a how to draw a pug tutorial. So you can see they could be little friends too. There's 3 dogs.
Actually, no, 4.
If you, right, so if you love doing dogs and you want to try that one too, be our guest. And if you love these videos, please hit that like button down below and subscribe to our channel, right?
Yes.
Happy drawing, guys. Thanks for watching. To begin our drawing, we are going to start off with a kind of an oval shape. It will start up here and then kind of curve around. It's like a lopsided circle, maybe more than an oval, just like that. Can you make kind of a big lopsided circle on your picture? Good. Next, I'm going to make a little mark right in the middle of the circle that's also like a curve. Can you make a little curve? Good. Then it's going to go down and then up to the side like that on both sides. Down and then up. In the middle of that, I'm going to make a nose. I'm going to start with a slanted line and then curve it down to almost a point and then come back up again. Next, I'm going to make a line that goes straight down from that, and then it'll angle down a little bit, and then we want ours smiling, so we're going to have it come back up. So down and then come back up. Good. Now for our eyes, we're going to go pretty big because Chihuahuas have some big eyes. Yes. So I'm going to go kind of make these big rainbows over here on the sides like that. And then I'm going to curve them down and around like that too. And I want to make my Chihuahua looking over at your Chihuahua. So I'm going to make the eyeballs looking a little bit over to the right so that it looks like my Chihuahua's looking over at yours, saying, hey. I'm also going to make a circle on the inside of the eye towards the right like that. And then I want to color my middle circle black. So it's nice and dark.
I'm looking the same way as you.
But I want to leave the little circle in the middle white. So make sure you color around that. That's like the little highlight in the eye. We want to leave that white. For our Chihuahua. While you're working, Ella, make sure you think of a good name for your Chihuahua too, because of course we'll have to add names when we're done.
Jenny.
Jenny?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll have to think of one for mine. I did a boy dog before with Olivia, and I named it Rex. So now I'm going to do a girl dog. I'll have to come up with a cute girl dog name.
I'm doing a girl dog name.
You're going to do a girl one too?
Yeah, Jenny's a girl.
Jenny is definitely a girl name. All right, next we're going to add a bow. So I'm going to start by making kind of a soft square, meaning like the corners aren't super pointed. The kind of soft corners. And I'm going to go straight out of the middle of the square. 1, 2, like that. And I'm gonna curve those down and connect them to the head like that. And then I'm gonna go from the top of the square up and then curve that like that to the middle. This is gonna be a nice big bow. And if you want to, you can add kind of some loops like this in the middle of those bow shapes. Yep. Good. Now I'm gonna give the Chihuahua some ears. Now Chihuahua ears are really big. So I'm gonna start kind of right here and I'm gonna end almost about where the eye is. And I wanna go pretty much almost to the corner of my paper. So if I make little marks like this, it kind of helps me figure out where I'm going. And I'm gonna go down like that for the first ear. And then I wanna curve out just a little bit and then back in. So see if you can make your first ear nice and big. And then my second ear is gonna be kind of hiding behind my bow. I want it to be about the same size as my first ear, but it's gonna be kind of hiding, the part of it will be hiding behind my bow. So it's just gonna kind of run into my bow like that. Yep, and I'm gonna add just a little line like this to show kind of the inside part of the ear. You won't really see much of it on the other one. Good. And then the last thing I want to do is just do part of the Chihuahua's body. So I'm going to give my Chihuahua a little collar by making 2 lines that go straight down.
I know how to make collar.
You do? Perfect.
I know what you're doing.
And then I'm going to make a curve line to connect them and a little circle. And then I'm gonna make a heart collar because it's a girl. So I'm gonna put a little heart collar like this, little tag. And that's where we'll put the name of our dog. So we'll write Jenny in yours, and I still have to come up with a name for mine. And then I'm just gonna put the top part of my dog's shoulders like that. Yeah.
You can do,
Do you have a good name idea? All right. I'm gonna start coloring. Are you about ready to color? Now Chihuahuas can be black, they can be tan, they can be like almost white. There's lots of different colors. I think I'm gonna make mine kind of a golden-y color. I'm gonna leave the part around the face light and then the rest I'm gonna make a little bit darker. So Ella and I are gonna start coloring and then we'll get back and show you how we have done when we are finished. Okay, you can see that Ella and I have been super busy painting our pups. Coloring, watch out, let me move your sheet here. There we go, coloring our puppies. And I am going to add names to their collars. I think mine, I'm going to name Rita. R-I-T-A.
Mom.
And Ella says you want yours to be Jenny, right?
Yeah.
Can I write it or are you gonna write it? All right, J-E-N-N-Y. All right, Jenny. Rita and Jenny, puppy friends. You can see too, even though the face is white, I wanted to add a little bit of shading along the edges of the face just to kind of show that it's not the same as the white background. So I put a little bit of blue and brown in the white area just to show some shading. But otherwise, that is our fabulous dog art. We hope you enjoyed making some adorable Chihuahuas with us, or any kind of dog. You could always give them some cute little clothes too. I know a lot of people dress their Chihuahuas in cute little outfits as well. Thank you guys so much for coloring and drawing with us today. We hope you join us for more drawing tutorials.